In the not-so-distant future, artificial intelligence has taken over the majority of work that was once done by humans. It started slowly, with simple tasks being automated by machines and algorithms. But as technology advanced, so did the capabilities of AI. Companies realized that they could save time and money by replacing human workers with machines that could work faster, more efficiently, and without the need for breaks or benefits. And so, one by one, jobs began to disappear. At first, it was the manual labor jobs that were automated. Robots took over manufacturing plants, assembly lines, and warehouses. They could work around the clock, never tiring or making mistakes. And soon, there were no more humans left to do those jobs. But it didn't stop there. AI began to encroach on white-collar jobs as well. Software programs were developed that could analyze data, write reports, and even make decisions. Lawyers, accountants, and even doctors found themselves being replaced by machines that could do their jobs faster and more accurately. The world of work was changing rapidly, and many people found themselves out of a job. Unemployment rates soared as more and more companies turned to AI to do the work that humans once did. And those who were lucky enough to still have a job found themselves working longer hours for less pay, as companies cut costs wherever they could. But not everyone was unhappy about the rise of AI in the workforce. Some saw it as an opportunity to pursue their passions and interests, freed from the drudgery of a 9-to-5 job. They embraced the gig economy, taking on freelance work and side hustles that allowed them to work on their own terms. Others saw the potential for AI to improve their lives in other ways. Self-driving cars made transportation safer and more efficient. Smart homes could be controlled with a simple voice command, and medical advancements allowed for more accurate diagnoses and treatments. But despite the benefits of AI, there were still many who were wary of its implications. They worried about the loss of jobs, the erosion of privacy, and the potential for machines to become more powerful than their creators. And as AI continued to advance, those fears only grew stronger. The future of work was uncertain, as society grappled with the implications of a world where machines did most of the work. But one thing was clear: the rise of AI had forever changed the way we work, live, and interact with the world around us. And as we look towards the future, we could only wonder what other changes lay ahead. What do you think the future of work will look like in the age of AI? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more thought-provoking videos on AI and technology. And be sure to check out videogen.io, the AI-powered video creation tool that's making it easier than ever to bring your ideas to life. Find the link in the description below, and thank you for watching.